Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Melon Sandbox is a fantastic place to let your creativity run wild, building and experimenting with all sorts of things. Now, you might be wondering how to actually earn money in a game like this. While it doesn't have a direct cash out button, there are definitely clever ways to turn your passion into a potential income. It's all about creating and sharing, really. One of the best avenues is diving deep into content creation. You can spend time designing intricate maps, or even developing custom mods that introduce new items and mechanics to the game. If your creations are unique and fun, they're likely to attract a large following within the Melon Sandbox community, which is a great start. Beyond just creating, consider sharing your work on platforms like YouTube or Twitch. You could record engaging gameplay videos showcasing your best maps, or even stream your building process live. As your audience grows, you can start to monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, or even direct viewer donations, which is a very common path. Building a strong community around your content is incredibly valuable. Engage with other players on forums, Discord, or social media platforms. Share helpful tips, offer tutorials, and give people a peek behind the scenes of your amazing projects. A loyal community not only amplifies your reach, but also opens doors to more opportunities for you down the line. Ultimately, earning money through Melon Sandbox boils down to two things: your creativity and consistency. Focus on producing high-quality content that truly excites you and, importantly, resonates with your audience. Keep engaging with your growing community. With a bit of dedication, your passion for this fun game can genuinely lead to some very rewarding opportunities outside of it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.